In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw funds from SoFi Invest, your definitive guide for 2025. Whether you're looking to access cash from your investments or simply want to move money to your bank account, this step-by-step process will make it easy and effortless. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your SoFi account. To do this, head over to sofi.com. Once there, locate the Login button conveniently positioned at the top right-hand corner of the page. After clicking, a new screen will open. Enter your credentials and be sure to select Invest from your dashboard to take you to your investment account homepage. Now, let's navigate to your SoFi Invest account. Here you'll start by selecting the specific account you'd like to withdraw funds from. You might have an active investing account, which includes stocks, ETFs, crypto, and options, or perhaps an automated investing account, which are managed portfolios. It's important to pay attention to crypto accounts as they might have special rules for transfers and could require you to sell assets before proceeding with the withdrawal. Speaking of selling investments, if your funds are still tied up in stocks, ETFs, or crypto, you'll need to handle that first. Navigate to the asset you want to sell. Click on it, select Sell, and then enter either the amount or the number of shares you wish to liquidate. After confirming the sale, the proceeds will smoothly transition into your SoFi Invest cash balance, allowing for withdrawal. Once those vital steps are completed and you have available cash, it's time to focus on the withdrawal itself. Click on Transfer and then Withdraw. You'll be prompted to select the amount you wish to withdraw from your investment account. Another pop-up will ask you to select the bank account you're transferring to. If you haven't already linked a bank account, you'll need to add this information by entering your routing and account number. Before finalizing, take a moment to review your withdrawal request. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm. Keep in mind that funds typically take between 1 to 3 business days to appear in your bank account. As we wrap up, a few essential notes about making withdrawals in 2025. Be aware of settlement times. For stocks and ETFs, it will take 2 business days, known as T+2, for the cash to settle before it's available for withdrawal. While crypto sales generally allow proceeds to be available on the same day, do note that it can take up to 1 to 2 business days. Rest assured, SoFi doesn't charge withdrawal fees, although it's always good to double check with your bank as they might have fees on their end. And there you have it. Withdrawing funds from your SoFi Invest account is not only straightforward, but also convenient. Thanks for watching and happy investing.